Hey YouTube, today's video is on the 5 rudiments that I think, now this is my opinion, but that I think every drummer needs to work on and perfect. Not just for snare drum, they also work on drum set and everything you do. It's to help get your hands around everything. Now, this video is going to be more of a list with some playing examples as opposed to in-depth on each rudiment. And in the description of this video is where I'm going to put links to my videos that go in depth on each one of these rudiments. So say you're looking for the paradiddle, you can go in the description, find the word paradiddle, hit the link, and it's going to take you to an in-depth video, one of my in-depth videos on that subject. So again, this is going to be more of a list. First off, let's go with the most obvious one, the single stroke roll. Now, this is literally just right, left, single strokes in each hand. Now, I'm going to play all of these rudiments slow up to fast and then back to slow. When you do it, you can do that. You can get out a metronome and play along to it and try and judge how fast you're going, things like that. But for the sake of this video, all of these rudiments are going to be played slow to fast and back to slow. All right, here we go. Single stroke roll. It's just single strokes in each hand. Right, left, right, left. Single stroke roll. Number 2 on this list is the double stroke roll. And this is where instead of singles in each hand, you're going to play 2 notes in each hand, nice and even. It goes like this. The double stroke roll. Number 3 on this list is the paradiddle. And now the paradiddle is a combination of singles and doubles. I always say, and if you watch my video on this, I always say if you can say the word paradiddle, you can play it. So the para part are singles. Para. And the diddle part is your double. Diddle. All right. From the top, I'm going to count it out with you. Say along. Paradiddle, paradiddle. Now notice this one's going back and forth. So you do a right-handed paradiddle and it automatically changes into a left and automatically changes back into a right. So you want to keep that nice and even from right to left, back to right. Paradiddle, paradiddle, right, left, paradiddle, paradiddle. My personal opinion is, I think the paradiddle could be the most useful of all the rudiments to help you get around snare drum, drum set. If you're orchestral, you're playing in your school band. It works great on mallet instruments, works great on timpani. The paradiddle is something you really should focus on. So anyway, on to number 4 in the list. Number 4 is the flam. And now the flam, this is where you have a main note and you have a grace note that plays before it. So if you have your main note, okay, there's your main note. I'm going to put this small grace note ahead of it. Now, the sticks are going to fall at the exact same time, and it should give you this ba-da, ba-da. You hear that? And you gotta be able to do it left-handed too. So the left then is up and the right is the grace note. Notice I'm keeping that grace note nice and low. Maybe an inch off the head, okay? Try to go for that. I'm really only moving one stick. Now when I put these back and forth from right to left, you'll see that I'm only actually moving one stick, and I'm trying to keep the other one down and next to the head. So here we go. We're gonna start right. We're gonna go alternated. See how I have one big stroke, and I'm trying to keep the grace note as nice and tight to the head as possible. Now, let's speed up and then slow down. The flam. Number 5 on the list, the final one. This is called the drag. Now, this is kind of like the flam in that you have a main note and you have 2 grace notes ahead of it with one stick. So this one, I try to use my technique from doubles. Remember this earlier in the video? To play the 2 grace notes into the main note. I want to use that, okay? So, here we go. Slowly, looks like this. Watch that again. 2 grace notes into a main note. Then switch it. So right to left. Ooh, put a flam in there. Don't know why I did that. So right to left, right to left, right to left. Now I'm really trying to concentrate on this particular version of open doubles. You can also do them crushed, but that's not what we want to do here for this particular instance. So I'm going to try to keep all those doubles nice and open. So you should be able to hear 3 notes all together, 2 soft into a main. And there you have what I believe are the 5 most important rudiments that everybody should know, everybody should work on. I don't care if you're a beginner or a pro or anybody in between. These will help you in all kinds of ways on all kinds of instruments, snare drum, drum set, mallets, whatever you want to play. All right? So, if you're liking what I'm doing in my videos, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video. Down in the comments section, tell me, do you know these 5 rudiments? What rudiment is your favorite? I'd like to know that too. Even if it's the other ones, the other of the 40. Not just these 5, but of the 40, or of the hybrids, say the cheese or something like that. Yes, for newbies, there is a rudiment called the cheese. And yeah, so until the next time, oh, by the way, check out a couple of these over here, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.